In the previous component of this project, we realized a figured bass, mapping out the harmonic structure that accompanies a given bass line, and added a melody to the bass line to create a polyphonic composition. In this part of the project, we will turn our polyphonic composition into a trio and perform or record it. We already have a bass line and melody. To complete the trio, we will need to add a chordal accompaniment on an instrument like the harpsichord. This would typically be improvised, but for the purposes of this project, we will write this out. Much of the groundwork for this has already been laid, and we can use the chords we wrote out when realizing the figured bass. Playing block chords like this can sound quite clunky. It's important to adjust these chords to make them more musical and divide them up between the treble and bass clef staves. We should avoid repeating notes in adjacent chords. If we look at the first two chords, we will see that they both contain a C, and the second two chords of the bar both contain a B. We can write these notes as minims and remove them from the chords above. We could also break some of these chords up and add non-chordal notes to create some movement in the keyboard part. Experiment with various configurations in MuseScore until you find something that works in conjunction with the bass line and melody you wrote. The result could sound something like this. Once you have composed these three parts, you can perform them along with your classmates or record yourself performing each part and then layer them on top of one another. The accompaniment you write should be typed into MuseScore along with your melody and bass line and submitted alongside a recording of your performance.